guys, what's up? And welcome back to another video. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry for my voice. I am sick. In my last video, you heard that. So today I'm going to be doing another makeover. And this one is for my friend. Slash space fluffles space slash. So this is her, I'm assuming, backup account, so we're gonna log in. Sorry for my dog in the background. He's not feeling too well. He's limping on his leg, and we'll just keep it as that. Okay. Whoa, just collect these. Okay, let's just see. Did she have any gifts? It was the drip top glitch. Yep. I need to get it. Okay, so let's see what she has. Okay. So I'm gonna go with blonde because I'll just go with blonde, or I'll choose straight blonde. I don't know. Oh, she has two rares. Okay. So we definitely have to get some work done on this account. So let's start. We're gonna start with makeup. I don't know. Oh, wait, she has two pairs of eyes. Oh, I like these. I don't like the color, but I'm not really gonna do anything about it. Okay. I need to take those extra eyelashes off because those are not looking the best. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe I won't do that. Okay, stop with the surprise face. The extra eyelashes are just weird. Okay, so let's... Oh, she's below 11. Okay, let me see. I don't know if she has done the quest yet. Has she? Oh, okay, this is gonna help a lot. Okay, let's make the outfit and then we'll put it on. I know it says try on here, just to get that out of the way. I hate that hair, to be honest. Okay, long hair. The hairs here are not the best, like, at all. So we will try and figure this out. So I'll come back when I have a very nice outfit and, you know, maybe some star coins. I'll be right back. Okay, so I totally forgot to record recording the entire time. So I got 123 star coins. Basically just gifted everything to me. So this, or to her, this is the look. It has the RE hair, glasses, freckles. I changed the skin color to a bit darker. A white crop top, some shorts, and some white tennis shoes. So this is her outfit. I don't know if she has any other animations. Let's see. Really like this animation. I just want to know if she has any other ones. I mean, I have the same animation. I just gifted everything to her, if you see. And I bought the glasses and the shirt on this one. See? And I just gifted stuff to her. So, I really hope you like this. Oh, by the way, this is the account. I really hope you like the makeover. And yeah. So we will just go back on my account. Once I tell her done, we will go back on my account right now. So yeah, let's see. This is a rare, so I wasn't ever gonna take that. Oh gosh. Here's never. People say, oh, you just press that and then just press open again, and it works. It works. Screen went over to like over here. The button between the X and the see right there. Button. As you can see. Or as you could see. Yes, I have a very old, well not very, very old. I have one of, I don't know. I don't remember what I was gonna say, to be honest. Wait, why? Those were my star coins. And I spent them. That's probably a very big mistake to do that. Yeah, sorry, I don't have it on my desk again. So my legs are holding it, so. Well, obviously, what else would be holding it? My arms, I guess. Sorry, I'm so tired right now. Okay, I'm just gonna keep. Okay, you know what? I'm trying to get rid of it. Thank you. So let me log. Oh, good God, I cannot. So I'm just going to log. And I know I have a very long password. It's the same password to my phone, so pretty sure. Hold on. Yep, same password. Oh my God, that's killing me. What always kills me. Sorry for the background noises, by the way, and my voice. I already said that, but what kills me is when someone opens a Snapchat and leaves it for an hour. Or half an hour. For a long time there. The mail time. Baby, I'm so proud of you. Wrong person. And I'm watching the mail time. Okay. Yeah, subscribe, by the way. So, I'm not gonna show you because that has the password in there, and I'm not gonna expose the password. That's I usually never do, and if I do, it's by accident. I never purposely do it. How much more fame do I have left? Let's see. Well, let's get this one fame left. Okay. That'd be awesome. One fame left. 75,166. Nope. And Chloe, if you see this, could you call me? Because I'm bored. So, let me show you my new backup. Same exact password for my main and this account. This one was VIP for a month, I'm pretty sure. So, it has 2 diamonds left, and it annoys me so much that it just has 2 diamonds. This is Scream Team. Best friend, duh, it's Lizzie. Best friend, duh, it's Lizzie. Lizzie went to jail for 3 years because of murder. Okay. So, okay, I really don't care. So, it's your nothing much other than I'm bored to death. So, yeah, oh my gosh. My voice, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Well, friend me, for one. Oh, and I have a new, outfit giveaway up. You wanna go check that out? Outfit giveaway. And I know when you guys are lying, so I will know if she's lying because I get notifications when someone subscribes. So I know that, and I have to change that to 10. So you guys can just watch me until I say, I say bye to you. And I also have offers on diamond packs and rares, just to show you. This is an Easter rare. This is a rare. This is a whole set diamond pack. This is a ultra rare, a rare, diamond pack, rare. Just to make sure that you guys don't get confused. Let's see if she's scam free. Usually I just said Fluffles do it for me, so then I don't have to do it. Sorry about that, girl. But it gets really annoying. Scam free. Okay, so she is scam free. That's awesome to hear. So I can trade with her. Okay, let's be honest. Hacked by Anonymous. And I can't even say it. Anonymous or something like that. She doesn't say hacked by Anonymous or whatever. She has like a saying that she says. Here, I'll show you. I'll just go on this account. Anonymous. I can't say it. On MSP, her profile. No. So, it's this little test, and I will come back when I have something that proves that's not anonymous. I'll be right back. I totally missed it, and I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. It says I am anonymous. I can do almost anything. Don't be afraid of me. Nobody's safe. And then I'm trying to talk with her. I know that she is not, or that she is fake. She's just faking it. She's like, oh, this is just the test, and I'll probably do one soon, so stay with that, stay like that. Deleting, like, you have to do an email before you delete an account. Here, I'll show you. I'm not actually gonna, try to delete my account. I'll show you. You click delete user. Are you sure you want to delete this user? Yes. Then you do that, and then you click delete user, and it says, okay, we have sent an email to you. If you have an email in. I'm hacker locked. What? I am. Guys, I'll come back when she proves. To the call, Ashley. What?